Hi, welcome to Megan's Cooking. Today I'm going to show you a shrimp dish, jumbo shrimp, and it's going to be Tamarind Devil Shrimp. I'm going to make it spicy, but you can put the chili paste to your spiciness. So from 1 to 5, I only do around 3. Anyway, so first off, we're going to have some shrimp. This is about 1 pound of the jumbo shrimp. We're going to have 2 types of sauce. We're going to have a dry spice rub sauce and then the wet mixed stir-fry sauce. First off, we are going to sear the shrimp. So I'm going to start with my cast iron pot. You can use the regular pan frying. I'm going to switch it. This is not good.
Somebody asked me on Facebook, where did you get this from?
You can go to any Asian market. This one I got from H Mart and it's in Carrollton. But you can go to any Asian market, they have it. But this specific brand is a Korean one, so I got it from H Mart and I love it. So convenient. First off, I'm going to put in a couple teaspoons of the butter with canola oil. This is just to sear the shrimp to give it some buttery flavor. And I'm going to put it in a medium heat. I don't want to overheat because I don't want to burn the butter. And I know it looks like it's a lot. It's going to soak up 15 shrimp. So we're going to sear it, make it kind of brown, golden brown one side of each side of the shrimp. So I'm going to put in, and we don't want to overcrowd it. Maybe if it's not enough room, we are going to do 2 separate batches, but I'm hoping I can fit all of them in here. And notice the shrimp is deveined and peel, and I leave off the tail part just for the look. I like to show the tail part so that when we pick it up, you can just pick up with the tail.
Oh, so you leave the tail on?
Leave the tail on. I think I can squeeze 15 shrimp in here. And also make sure you dry pat the shrimp. So I already dry pat it with a paper towel, and I just leave it on my shrimp rack to let it sit. We're going to sear this probably about 5 minutes each side.
Everybody likes shrimp dishes.
Yeah, you can see. Yeah, can't go wrong with shrimp.
Nope.
Because I just flipped the shrimp over, and this is the second side of the shrimp. So I'm going to let it golden brown a little bit. And it's okay if you burn it because we're going to mix it up with the sauce. And I like a taste burn, kind of charcoal flavor.
I love that.
Yeah.
Everybody like that little burn.
Okay, so I think by now the shrimp are pretty much done. So it's been about 5 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes each side. I'm gonna turn up the heat, transfer it over on the side. It already smells so good because the buttered canola oil gives it that richness, moist of the shrimp. And you can just use regular oil, vegetable oil, avocado oil. But I thought with the butter it will give it more rich, fresh oil. Okay, that's the first batch. Alright, so we just finished the shrimp. Now the next step we're going to do is to fry up the shallots, the garlic, and palm sugar. This is about 1 tablespoon chopped shallot, 1 tablespoon of the chopped garlic, and this is about 2 tablespoons of the palm sugar. You can use regular sugar, brown sugar. So I'm going to put in here probably about 1 tablespoon of oil. We already have the butter.
You use the same old.
Yeah, we're using the same one. We're not switching.
You got that shrimp juice.
So go into shallot, finely chopped, go into garlic. And I love garlic, so I have a full spoon of it, but if you don't like too much garlic, you can always put half. So you're gonna stir fry this.
What can you use instead of garlic if you don't want to use garlic at all?
You can just omit, and you can use garlic powder instead. But we also have some garlic powder in this dish.
You know, garlic is good for you.
Yeah, garlic is good.
It's good for your heart.
Yeah. So we're gonna let this stir fry a bit. I'm gonna go in with the palm sugar. It's about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to let it melt with the shallots and the garlic. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of concentrated tamarind. And I put a little bit of water in here to dilute it. So that's our wet sauce right now. I'm going to turn it off. Transfer it to this cast iron is heavy. Okay, we're going to set it aside. Next step we're going to do is the dry ingredients. I'm going to use stock. Alright, so we're going to mix in the next ingredients. First of all, I'm going to put in half a tablespoon of the oil, vegetable oil. Actually, I need a full tablespoon because I have right here, it's chopped or grinded dry shrimp, and this is what it looks like when I chop it up. So I'm going to use the dry shrimp. I'm going to toast it with oil.
So that is actually those?
Grind it from there, yeah.
Focus.
I need a little bit more, so probably 2 tablespoons. So I want to fry it a little bit, let it get crunchy a little bit. So it start boiling. Now I'm going to throw in 1 chopped red pepper.
Is this going to make us cough?
Yes, this is where the spiciness is. And I have 1 tablespoon of Korean red pepper flakes. Go in with that, and it's up to your spiciness. If you like it less spiciness, you can put half. I also have a dry, cut up red pepper.
Oh my God.
I know it looks like a lot, but I don't think the dry pepper is really good. Okay. I'm gonna walk some. Now I'm gonna add the shrimp to the sauce. I also have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then half teaspoon of red black pepper. You mix it in.
That smells so good.
Smells really nice. The aroma. See, the dry shrimp we add flavor to. Because the dry shrimp is a little bit salty already. So when they dry it up, they already have it mixed saltiness. Okay, so here we have the saltiness flavor. Now
I gotta get a picture of that.
The shrimp with the dried spice rub. I'm gonna add the wet sauce that we did earlier. Can you smell the flavor come up?
Yep.
It has the sweet, the palm sugar. It has the sourness of the tamarind, and then mix in with the shrimp paste. So
Looks great. Looks yummy.
so I'm gonna turn off the flame. Last thing I do is I had about 1 bunch of the scallion that I finely chopped. I'm gonna add just half to mix it in, mostly the white part, and the rest I'm gonna garnish. Okay.
So is this dish like a snack or a meal?
You can eat, it's considered a meal. You eat with over steamed rice. And there you have it. This is my creative Tamarind Devil Shrimp. I call it devil because we make it spicy.
Right.
And you see how the butter soaks in with the rest of the sauce well. Keep it moist. Welcome back. So I finally garnished out my dish. This is Tamarind Devil Shrimp. It smells amazingly good, and I'm gonna guarantee you, if you're gonna try this dish, you're gonna be addicted because it's my own recipe, my creative recipe. You have to try it. Anyway, thank you again for watching my video, and I hope you will give it a try. Share with your family and friends, and comment. Let me know how it turned out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.